Welcome to Day Trip, a new series from the Emerald that shows you around our state and the natural wonders it has to offer, from day trips to hikes to road trips. This first video, we're going to focus on the Willamette Valley, the heart of Oregon. Now, I call it the heart of Oregon because Willamette Valley contains most of Oregon's people and its economy and its agriculture. Millions of years ago, Eugene and the Willamette Valley and all of western Oregon were actually underwater, under the ocean, a part of the continental shelf. This is why we can find seashell fossils in Alton Baker Park. Now, the reason for this can be found miles off the coast in the subduction zone. It's here that two different tectonic plates, the ocean floor in North America, collide. Now, as they collide, the ocean floor actually goes underneath us, underneath our feet as we're speaking, down into the mantle where it remelts. Now, as this happens, the land is actually pushed up, it's uplifted, which means that western Oregon has become dry over time. We first head to Alton Baker Park, a park just north of campus that's a great place to see the river that defines this valley, the Willamette. It's here that you can see heron, geese, cormorants, ducks, and all sorts of other waterfowl. In the spring in the park you can see many of their hatchlings walking around. There's also evidence of beavers you'll find, and even crayfish. There are many options for exploring this park, from the bike path, to Pre's running trail, to even a canoe canal you can explore on boat. South of town is Spencer Butte, where 3 trails wind through Douglas Fir Forest to the summit. Douglas Fir Forest is another important habitat within the Willamette Valley, and it's also the state tree. At the top, you're confronted with a climb over a basalt ridge. This is a lava flow that became uplifted to its present position on top of Spencer Butte. The view from the top is 360 degrees, with views of the Willamette Valley, the Coast Range, Eugene, the Klamath Mountains, and the peaks of the Cascade Range. Buford Park on Mount PISGAH is also representative of Oregon's volcanic past. Located southeast of town, it's here you get to see a more pastoral side of the Willamette Valley. Most striking are the gnarled and contorted oak trees that grow on the butte. Their bark is often covered with thick mats of moss and lichens, creating interesting patterns on the branches. These trees are a part of an important habitat within the Willamette Valley, the oak savanna, which once dominated the region. Special thanks to Travel Lane County, Eugene Cascades and Coast for their assistance in the creation of this video.